Shit, I don't have a thumbnail. Just gonna do some stretches. I just finished the Charlie Kirk video, so the only pictures I have are fucking Charlie Kirk. I'll do, you know what? I'm not gonna do a Charlie Kirk one. The joke's getting old already. I'll do, No, but this one's really funny though. This Charlie Kirk picture is really funny. I'll pick this one. Alright. Alright. Alright, welcome to the stream, everyone. New video just dropped. Go watch it. Because I want money. Who's Stanley Animation? Oh. The fuck? No, I'll just reset. Alright. If you guys are wondering why I'm not starting the stream yet, there's actually quite a few things I want to check out first. Let me turn on the volume. So first of all, I'm just checking Twitter DMs because, and then there's a YouTuber called Stanley Animations who said, "Hi, are you open to collaboration?" Seems like this guy is like some random guy with 700,000 subscribers, but his videos are, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Should I do this? Most of their videos are just kind of boobs ass thumbnail. Not a good look. Not a good look. I'll think about it. I don't want to just collaborate with anyone. Although it would be nice though for connections and shit. But maybe not this. Maybe not every connection is good. All right. The prerequisite to this. All right. The prerequisite to the stream. All right. Let's get up. Welcome to another study stream. Wow, so inspirational. Let's just do this. No, we can just like zoom in like this. Yeah, you can just do like that. This is my account on Khan Academy. This is my account. We carry the flame. 68. You know how it is. I don't know since when I did college algebra. I did not do that, but I guess it's there. I guess. I don't fucking know. It should have been better if we carried him 6'7". No, bruh. Alright, the prerequisite is I want to read the comments on my Charlie Kirk video. Usually my videos get like 89, no, not 89, 98.5 to 99.2% like ratio. But this video has 94% like ratio. So a lot of people did not like it. The entire problem here is you want to make something, you want to make a video that is both funny, and fits your style and my humor, but you also want to talk about like a kind of serious topic and want to, get all the nuance out. And I definitely missed some shit, and I did make this video in like a week to get something out because you got to bang on the trend. Where what do you want for Christmas? Nothing. I don't know. What do I want for Christmas? Oh, there's a critical thumbnail. No, Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, hey, what? Okay, okay. Yo, chill. I wasn't gonna click it. I want David Bazuki tested for trial. That's what I want for Christmas. The fucking freaky ass emoji is crazy. I pinned this comment. It was really funny. I don't. Let's check out the recent comments. Blocked his OSC. You have a taste in music. Nice. Hello. Hey, what's up? They don't have to debate them. What's this? Of winning the argument. It's not. That's not the point. That's not the entire. It's not about choosing to debate them. It's about the fact that the debate itself is ass. You don't debate just to win. Or just because. You want to have a proposal. You want to, instill some kind of change. It's not just saying random shit. And it's not just Charlie Kirk. There was a clip I saw, and then someone literally asked Charlie Kirk, was it, if you were 6 inches in Elon Musk and Donald Trump, was it? Yeah, if you were 6 inches inside Elon Musk and Donald Trump was 6 inches inside you, which way are you moving? Drinking some milk, by the way. What are you saying? That's literally what some random person in one of Charlie Kirk's debates said to him. Now that's a funny clip. I don't know. Have some milk, by the way. 'Cause it's good. Anyways, Kirk's the unfunniest meme. You know how it is. Hey Indy, did not expect you here. We are Charlie Kirk. Like a lot of people obviously are gonna joke about Charlie Kirk, but there's gonna be that minority that's like, "Arrgh. This guy only said stuff, and now he died. Hating in the world. No, he didn't. I think literally everyone who finds me funny is actively lying about an innocent man who was murdered and is evil. See, this is where we disagree, but okay, sure. Charlie Kirk does, like, I feel like I have like the most like safest opinion on this. Charlie Kirk does not deserve to die. No one deserves to die. Alright? But hey man, no one deserves to die. But you can't say Charlie was innocent or said anything or said nothing bad, okay? There's a difference. He did not deserve to die, but we still don't like him. And let me give you guys a hot take, or I don't know how hot it is. I don't even care if Charlie Kirk said any of the shit he did. There's people in these comment sections that's like, Charlie Kirk said nothing wrong. He was just only sharing his opinion. Even if he said nothing wrong, I would still not like Charlie Kirk. I said it. Even if Charlie Kirk said nothing wrong, and he only said good things, that we all agree with, I would still not like him. I would still not like him because of the way he argues his things. He only goes to college campuses most of the time. When he goes to Stanford, there's a few there's some debates of him in in university like Stanford, and those people were actually debating with him, and he still titles his YouTube videos like "I'm owning them" or Charlie Kirk versus them. Like Charlie Kirk, I is like ruining the image of debates. I don't like what he does with debates. I don't like how he turns debates into like a me versus all of them kind of thing. Like that's not how it's supposed to be. 6767, true. But yeah, that's my take. Say you can disagree all you want with what he said, but I would still not like the guy. Don't get into this shit. You're not a politics channel. Charlie Kirk was an entire meme. That's why I took it. You don't. Geopold, baby. Like I completely accidentally trying to be Geopold. Except I'm not as good as him in covering political topics, so I don't know, bro. I think let me check like a few more. Oh my god, this is a crazy take right there. Jesus. I guess you're dumb, but the reason he debated college is it's to open their point of view and to show why things are wrong. It's kind of like a parent that gives advice to one of the share beliefs and a free speech on tree. Blah blah blah. Even if the fact that it was proven. Wait, what is this? Even the fact that it was proven he wasn't a racist by his best friend, people are just too ignorant to listen. By his best friend, prove you don't just you. Imagine being Epstein's friend, like Jeffrey Epstein's friend, or like for example, you're Trump and you're saying Jeffrey Epstein's innocent, and then all of a sudden I believe you. Yeah, I've been Discord later after the stream. While his wife and kids were watching, they were not there. But I still think the memes are funny. Oh well, there we go. I found this one. Good comment. Um Dude, stop ignoring me. What did I ignore? Name five Kirk songs. We are Charlie Kirk. We are Charlie Kirk dubstep remix. We are Charlie Kirk funk remix. We are Charlie Kirk. Uh, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm not good at it. I'm not a Charlie Kirk. I'm not in the Charlie Kirk fan club though. No one should be killed for opinions, which is true, but it is what it is. What is this? Now do George Floyd bet you won't? Bro trying to get to doxed. Alright, bet let's do this. Who are these people? An asshole, right? Xenophobic. Yeah, I don't know why I just forgot the word xenophobic. I said immigrantophobic. I forgot the term. My vocabulary is not that good, guys. My editor can tell you that when I'm talking without a script, I'm actually like terrible. I can't speak more than 3 words at a time. Let me find like one more funny clip. Funny. Uh, there's people disagreeing with tragedy, which is whatever. Let me find one more funny comment. I genuinely hope anyone makes fun of his death gets the same treatment. Damn, we're all gonna get assassinated. Damn, it's good ass milk, bro. Bird Game 3 goated. Oh, my freaking thing is awful. That's Thank you, George Atari. That's why I should stop streaming on Twitch. Is my internet like good? You know what? Fuck it. I have this thing at the bottom left. I don't know why. Search for paint.net and shit. Is my internet like that bad? I can stop streaming on Twitch. What's up, Twitch? I definitely honor your chat more. Hey, AP. Yeah. I think it's like from now on, I'm just gonna stop on Twitch. Because, the grind on Twitch is real, bro. You have to stream like a million hours, and I don't got that in me. Where's the pre-calc? Alright, let's get it. Alright, we're done reading comments. Getting bored. Where do I start? I don't know why it says college algebra when that's like literally not what we're learning. Oh, here we are. So last time, yesterday's stream we did law of sine and cosine, and I messed up a lot. I don't know why. It's just a formula you just have to remember. That's literally all it is. W is a name, thank you. It's basically law of sine is equal to the ratio of sine of an angle, and the side the angle faces towards is the same for all sides. And then the law of cosines is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. But if it's not a 90-degree angle, you can do minus 2 times a times b times cosine theta, where theta is, the angle that's pointing towards the missing side or whatever. And yeah. Kirk Academy, Jesus. Alright. I think we're done with this. We're done with. Let's go all the way. Where do we finish? Where did we finish? Don't look at that. Don't look at my scores there. General triangle word problems. Alright, bet. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get some music. I'm once again gonna use the Blocktails OSC. I like it. I like their music. I don't know what to tell you. There we go. Alright, bet. We have paint.net and then bottom right. So this is where I'm gonna write down shit. Take down notes. Definitely make it smaller though. Play Tung 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 Sour. Alright. We're gonna, every time we finish a study stream, like an hour and a half, that's when we're going to like play Roblox and do all that jazz. What are you studying for? Nothing really. It's more like advanced studying before my college year starts. That's the problem. College starts in March. It's such a long ass time, so I got nothing to do, so better do something, right? I actually had an arc. Want to do Tech Joyce kind of content, but like there's so much to learn about it, and I have no idea how to even implement it well. I'm super awkward in IRL recording, so I'm gonna delay that for now. Maybe we can do this entire pre-calculus thing, and then right before calculus we move on to like something else, or we just go to calc, aka calculator. All right, whatever. How could we bridge this river, says Omkar. First, let's find the distance to the big rock on the other side, Melissa replies. Wait, what? Okay, he's here and then she's here. How can we bridge this river? Let's find to the big rock on the other side. So there's a rock here, Melissa moves 100 meters away. She looks back and measures a 33-degree angle. How does she know that? But okay, whatever. And then he sees a 98-degree. I'm happy that there's this illustration, but I think a thing in math you have to do is to try and visualize this without this picture. That's another way. That's a very important skill. What is the distance run across the river from Omkar to the Big Rock? Ooh, it's an interesting question. Okay, let me try to remember. So you have a triangle. I think you can see. I will call. All right, here let me show you guys, chat. This is how you do it. You have a triangle. This is 33 degrees. This is 98 degrees. Ooh, tutorial Terry. You have a 98 degrees here. You have 100 at the bottom, and you have to solve for this one. I'm gonna use the law of sines here. Your username is genuinely frying me. I did not know you guys could see on the top right. Well, it is what it is. You have sine. I think you guys can see. It's kind of hard to like. Let's put it at like here. There you go. So you have sine 33 over, let's say, x equals sine. Oh wait, but you only have this one. But well, we can get the final angle here. So 33 plus 98. So that's 131. Yeah, 131, right? 131. So 131. God, I can't type with my mouse. Divided by 100. Alright. I think you guys can see it. Yeah. And then you can cross multiply to say 100 sine 33. You just cross multiply like this. Equals x sine 131. And then you can divide both sides by sine 131. Degrees, by the way. This is degrees, not radians. World needs to play Femboy Obby. The fuck? And then you just use a calculator. So let's just use Desmos. Let's search this up. Where am I? Sine 131. Exhibits fucking negative. Okay, let's make it positive then. Hopefully I'm right. 100 sine 33 over sine 131. 123. But let's make this positive because it's a distance, right? To the nearest meter. 123. Mother. It's in radian. Oh my god. Whoops. Alright. This one's not my fault. This is not my fault. Oh, I got it right. Alright. It's not my fault. Desmos is automatically in radians. Alright, bet. If Peter is at Pinnacle Point... Oh wait, no. Let's Peter's treasure map says the treasure is... I wanna just not have this. I wanna make it a little harder. Let's just not have this picture. Peter's treasure map says the treasure is 673 paces from Pinnacle Point and 800... Ooh. Alright. Let's move here. Peter's treasure map said the treasure... Okay, let's mark this. Oh my god, the entire chat spamming 67. The treasure is 673 paces from Pinnacle Point. Let's say this is Pinnacle Point, right here. Okay, this is PP. You have a point here, and this is 673. Okay, this is the treasure. This is the money right here. And 861, 861. Sorry. From Skeleton Cove. Alright. SC. This is 6-7. And this is 6-1. Pinnacle Point and Skeleton Cove are 989. So this is 9. No, wait, no. 989. There we go. If Peter is at Pinnacle Point and facing towards Skeleton Cove, so he's here and he's pointing this way, how many degrees should he turn before walking 673 paces to the treasure? So what is this angle? Okay, I can do this. Yeah. So I think this is where you use the law of cosines, I believe. Because you don't get any degrees. Because I think law of cosine is let's just say law of cosine is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos theta. That's just another formula you just gotta remember. 6-1. 6-1. Alright. So this is alright. So c squared, which is 861 squared. That's a lot. You have to use a calculator. 861 squared. 861 squared equals there we go. 673 squared plus 989 squared minus 2 times 673 times 989 times cos x. Alright? Now you just look in the calculator and boom, there's your answer. Let's just get x equals y. No, x equals 0. No, y equals 0. There we go. So we have a line here that intersects, and now we can get the number. It's like 58? 58. 58. It says round your answer to the nearest degree. So the answer is 59. Yeah, 59. So 59 degrees. Chat, am I like the smartest person in the fucking world? Let's remove this. Let's see if we can solve this without the picture. What if you don't have Desmos? Then I will just use a calculator. This is the kind of lesson where you need a calculator. I have a physical calculator with me, but Desmos works as well. Little bro thinks he's Einstein. I am Einstein. Fuck you mean? Alright, let's answer this one. Oh, by the way, guys, let me tell you something. Yesterday there was a dude who gave like 110 gifted memberships, which is actually fucking crazy. But here's the thing. So I searched up, the dude's from Argentina. And in YouTube, or in Argentina, my highest tier membership is 40 Argentinian dollary dues. Okay? But here's the thing. If you search up 40 Argentinian pesos, look how much it's compared to in USD. That's how much a membership is for my channel in Argentina. It's 2 pennies. So now you know. Now I know why. How he gave 100 memberships. It's because he basically gave like 2 cents on the dollar. Argentina, bro. Your economy is so fucking trash. Alright, let's do this one. Putri is searching for a secret cave. Starting from her home, she walks 2.6 kilometers directly north before coming upon a large rock. Alright, so let's say that this is her home. And she walks to a large rock. R. So this is 2.6. Okay. Coming atop from the rock, climbing atop, she spots a cave. She then turns 58 degrees to the east of north. The east of north is like, what is east of north? I think it's like this, right? Where this is 58 degrees. I think that's what it means. Because 58 degrees south would be like going south and then you go 58 degrees this way. Or something like that. I think this is what it is. And walks to a cave. After exploring the cave, okay, she looks back at the big rock. She knows the cave is 3.72 kilometers from her home. So there's a cave here. And it's like this. Okay. And how many degrees to the south should she turn? Wait, to the south? Alright. The cave is 3 from her home. So this is 3.72. Okay. For dirt cheap. They usually get an international. Fill it up with USD. Oh shit, okay. Man, maybe I should take advantage of Argentina's terrible currency. I can just get every Steam game for free. So she's saying how many degrees to the south should she turn before walking home? So basically what this is. Alright. So you're given 2 at an angle and you're just getting this. What you can actually get, what should I use here? This one over this one. Okay, I think Law of Science is good for this one. You can use that one. You can say sine 58 divided by 3.72 equals sine what is that? Sine theta over 2.6. And then you just search it up. Alright, bet. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Sine 58. 2.72 times 2.6. 2.6. And remember that this entire thing is just going to be sine theta. So you get the entire thing and then you do arc sine. And that's your answer. It says round to the nearest degree. So it's 36.35, so 36 degrees. We're finally figured out basic trig. Hey, this is not super basic trig. We're getting somewhere. Let's remove this. Let's make it a little harder. Alright, Lucy is 1200 light years from the star system KA7. Damn, bro. Hey, I want a technology, bro. I still every time I see the word light years, I laugh. Because I think of that Flight Reacts clip and then where he was watching a video about freaking space, and then he was like, it takes like 100 light years, or it takes like 100 years to get to the sun on spaceship, and then he's like, 100 years? Nah, I'm gonna invent something to make it 8 minutes. Found it really funny. Lucy's 1200 light years, so let's say that Lucy's here, and this is the star system. This is 1200. She is This is 1700 light years to KA11. So this is 7, and then this is her. Lucy, I don't know if Lucy's a girl or a guy name. I guess girl though, so I'll just put this here. She's an angle between KA7 and KA11. This is 52. Damn it, I love this song, bro. This is 7, this is 11. And this is 1700. There we go. Lucy needs to know the distance between the systems. How far apart? So you're getting this angle. It's the holidays. Thank you. Alright. What should I use here? Law of sines, maybe? But you only have one angle. I think law of cosines is good here, because you only have one angle. Law of sines is like, you have this one. I don't have this. You don't have this one though. You don't know this is a 90-degree angle. So yeah. Anyways, let's do this. Law of cosine, which is trying to remember. Oh, but you have these two and an angle. Shit, I forgot already. This squared is equal to x squared is equal to 1200 squared plus 1700 squared minus 2 1200 times 1700 cosine 52. There we go. Chat, very educational. So just get x squared is equal to 1200 squared plus 1700 squared minus 2 times 1200 times 1700 cosine. I need to know the proof of the law of cosines. I want to know that. So it's probably gonna be like a really big number. Alright, here we go. The answer is 1348.36. So round your answer to the nearest 100. So 1300. Shit. What? Very, very smart. Very smart. Alright, Dennis, Vera, and Yash are rock climbers. Yash is connected to Vera. I don't want to draw. I'm not a good artist. I don't know shit about drawing. I only know how to do this. And let's put a nose. And that's pretty much it. Alright. These two are rock. Yash is connected to Vera by a 30-meter rope. Which is... what? What is this word? Pulled into a straight line. Alright. Very, very, very good vocabulary there. This is Yash. And this is Vera right here. Put this together. 30-meter rope, which is straight. Vera's connected to Dennis by a 25-meter rope. I don't know what direction, but okay, let's put it here. Yash has already completed the climb, so and he takes out a camera to take a picture of his friends. Dennis sees an angle of 41 degrees between Vera and Yash. Okay. Like this? I think this one is gonna be 41. 41. Alright. World's youngest chat. True. Where I viciously googled all your videos. Why my videos, bro? Jesus Christ. What is the minimum camera angle Yash can use to see both Dennis and Vera? So this angle, you're looking for this angle. Okay, let me redraw it. So you have a triangle here. No, that's not very accurate. Like that. You have a triangle here. This is the unknown. This is 30. 25. And this one is 41. Right there. That's basically what it is. So what should we use here? There is one angle given though, so you can use law of sines. So sine 41 over 30 equals sine x over 25. So there you go. That's the answer. Easy, bro. All right, we're learning. Just do 25 multiplied to both sides. So 25 times sine 41 over 30. Yeah. Equals sine x. There's a lot of course it goes on intervals, but let's pick the most reasonable answer, which is over here. You have 33. I think that's the nearest one, right? 33. Bro might have created the worst fan base by like spamming Instagram memes in his videos. Yeah. Yeah. Like, I've always been thinking, like, I definitely, you know, I make meme videos, but I've always been wondering if I can make more serious videos, but like, there's always a charm to making, you know, funny videos. There's always going to be, you know, YouTube content in general leans more towards like kind of unserious, memey kind of content. I mean, even if it's not like as outrageously stupid as mine, a lot of the biggest like personality channels, they're not known for being super serious. There are some more serious, but a lot of them are not. That's the thing. So it is what it is, honestly. I am thinking about changing the thumbnail though of the video, but maybe for another time. Alright, awesome. We're done. So now we're gonna do sinusoidal. That's just a review. What is this? Sinusoidal equations? What is this? What does this mean? Let's figure it out. Sine curve. Oh, this wave. Oh my god, what? What the hell is this? McKenna tried to solve the following equation, where x is in degrees to the nearest tenth in the interval from -270 to 180. but she made a mistake. Here is her work. So, okay. What? What is this? Cosine minus 1 of cosine x equal to cosine... What? Oh no, we're getting into the... let me skip. I want to know the solution. I have to refresh. That's bad. Skip your shit, dog. Wait, I want to know the previous one. Alright, here. Maybe I should just watch the fucking videos. Fine.
Which of these are contained in the set? Which of these are contained in the solution set to sine of x is equal to 1/3? And answers should be
sine x equal to 1/3.
Rounded to the nearest hundred.
Oh, it's about okay.
Select all that apply. And so I encourage you to pause the video right now and work on it on your own. So I'm assuming you've given a go at it. Let's think about what this is asking. So they're asking, what are the x values? What is the solution set? What are the possible x values where sine of x is equal to 1/3? And to help us visualize this, let's draw...
Bro, where the fuck am I gonna use this? In some very obscure scenario where you're an engineer.
Unit circle. So that's my y-axis. This right over here is my x-axis. This is x at 1. This is y, positive 1.
Oh, you have to... This is where you have to remember the fucking side graphs, bro. I don't want to remember that. Oh, this... Fuck! Either you gotta do like this. Sine... Yeah, like this. Why is it times B? Let me put it here. Oh yeah, it's like this. It's basically like this. So if you make A bigger, well yeah, it's gonna amplify it. So do that. And then if you do H, I think it's gonna just move it. Yeah. HK, AK is always about that. And then B is going to be the period, I think. So if B is equal to 1/3, then let's start at 0. As you can see, the one period ends at 6 pi. So usually it's 2 pi because that's like a circle. Let's look at 1, so it's going to be from 0 to 2 pi. Alright. Cool, cool. That's an alternating current.
-1 along
Fucking
the
nerd.
x-axis, -1 on the y-axis. Unit circle, I'm going to center it at 0.
Glory to Benjamin
Have a radius of 1. Radius of 1. And we just have to remind ourselves what the circle. So this right over here, that, and here. So there's 2 angles where, or at least 2, if we just take 1 or 2 on each pass of the unit circle. Radius of 1. And we just have to remind ourselves
Solution set for
what the unit circle
x equals 1/3.
definition of the sine function is. If we have some angle, one side of the angle is going to be a ray along the positive x-axis. We'll do this in a color you can see.
Wait, how do you get this? Obviously going to be the plus 2 pi n. How do you solve this without the tutorial? Maybe it's going to be like, you know, opposite over hypotenuse, right? 1, 3. This angle. I don't know.
Along the positive x-axis. And then the other side So let's see, this is our angle right over here. Let's say that's some angle theta. The sine of this angle is going right over here. That is going to be sine of theta. The sine of this angle is going to be the y value of where this ray intersects the unit circle. So this right over here, that is going to be sine of theta.
Oh shit, my bad. I'm actually stupid. Wait, I'm not wrong though. At least this is... Okay, look, this is going to be sine... Okay, so this is 1. This is sine... Right there. I don't get it though.
So with that review out of the way, let's think about what x values, and we're assuming we're dealing in radians, what x values, if I take the sine of it, are going to give me 1/3. So when does y equal 1/3 along the unit circle?
Is
So
too
that's
fried.
2/3, 1/3 right over here. We see it equals 1/3 exactly 2 places, here and here. So there's 2 angles where, or at least 2, if we just take 1 or 2 on each pass of the unit circle, then we can keep adding
plus pi, so there's 1, 2.
multiples of 2 pi to get as many as we want. But we see just on the unit circle, we could have this angle. We could have this angle right over here. Or we could go all the way around to that angle right over there.
Yeah.
And then we could add any multiple of 2 pi to those angles to get other angles that would also work, where if I took the sine of them, I would get 1/3. Now let's think about what these are. And here we can take our calculator out, and we could take the inverse sine of 1/3. So let's do that. The inverse sine of 1/3.
Okay.
And we have to remember what the range of the inverse sine function is. It's going to give us a value between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So a value that sticks us in either the first or the fourth quadrant if we're thinking about the unit circle right over here. And so we see that gave us 0. If we round to the nearest hundredth, 34. So essentially they've given us this value. They've given us...
So it's 0.34 plus 2 pi n.
0.34. That's this angle right over here. How did I know that? Well, it's a positive.
Oh, but it says select all that apply. So it's this one, the first, and then going to be the second to last.
It's greater than 0.
Am I right?
But it's where n is in it. Solution set out negative 1/3. So that any multiple of it is going to get you back to the third. So we can apply, and if you...
All right. Differentiation. I already learned it. I already learned differentiation a while back. But actually, just need to review that shit. There's a lot of laws and shit. You know, the thing where you drag down the exponent and all that. That shit crazy, bro.
Equation by negative 1/6.
Trigonometry is definitely one of my least favorite maths, though. That's the thing. I hate. Like, there's just so much to it. Do you know that sine times sine over cosine is tangent?
With these identities, I like to draw a quick unit
Dog, do not skip this.
circle. That would
It's called a study sheet for a reason.
Draw the radius. We know the cosine of an angle is the x-coordinate of where that radius that's defined by that angle, where that radius intersects the unit circle. But we also see there's another place. If we essentially take the negative of that angle, we could go right over here, and we would also get the same cosine. So we could go to the negative of the angle, go that way. And that's where we get the identity that cosine of negative theta is equal to cosine of theta. And so if cosine of 8x is equal to negative 1/6, using this identity, we also...
So cosine... Fuck! Trig identities. This is another big thing that you have to learn if you're going into math. It's so annoying. Fine. Calculus. Which ones are we dealing with at this moment? I don't want to do product identities, bro. Well, it's not here. It's not here. All right. Well. So, yeah, cosine of the a negative angle is equal to cosine of the positive angle. Okay. At least I'd say understand why this identity works, because negative or positive, it's still going to be on the left side of the graph, and that means that you know, the x-axis, the x is still negative. Yeah, the x-axis is still the same. So, yeah.
Also
Alright,
know that
bet.
cosine of the negative of this will also be equal to negative 1.
Hypixel Skyball
Let me write
players.
that down. Cosine of negative
Rip
8x
Tackle Blade.
is also going to be equal to negative 1/6. Now already we have expanded our solution set because this is going to give us another x value that's going to get us the result that we want. But are we done?
So
Well,
I think
the
this,
other
I
thing
think
to
this one is going to be about like
realize
solving
let's
for
say I
sine
have
x,
some
solving for
angle
x,
here,
which is going to be
where
very
if I take
interesting.
the cosine, I get to negative 1/6. But then if I add 2 pi again, I'm going to get to the same place. And the cosine is once again going to be negative 1/6. And I could add
Okay.
similarly for negative 8x. I could say
Okay,
both of
yeah,
these,
but like adding 2 pi n is like a given. How do you solve for x?
for x, we can
Well, I guess do that later.
subtract 2.
Okay, you just do arc sine. Oh, that's why he put it there first, because you're going to arc cosine both sides. And then you isolate x from there. X is equal to all that. And that's your answer. Yeah, damn, okay. So you do this, right? You try to remember identities. You might have two scenarios. You add 2 pi n because that's an entire circle's worth. And then you can arc sine, arc cosine, whatever, and then you isolate x. Okay. We're learning, I guess.
In a previous video, we established the entire solution set for the following equation. And we saw that all the x's that can satisfy
Albert, I
this
got
equation are
classes.
a combination
I'm sorry.
of these x's and these x's here, values that's they're trying to do here. And now let's see if we can write the difference. That's approximately.
I don't like it when they convert pi over 2 to freaking fractions, bro, or to decimal. Fractions are much neater. They're so clean compared to a decimal, just random numbers.
N, where n could be any integer. And then this one over here on the right, let me do that in the yellow. Point.
Why would you want to do this? Nah, this is an ugly answer, bro. Like, look how beautiful this x looks in the fraction compared to just whatever the fuck this is. Come on, bro. You can't be for real. You can't be for real, bro.
Down here. So this is too low. Ways pause what approximately pi over 4 is. So 0.785 we have interval. So this 0.0. So term and you just get approximately 0.22. Now let's compare that to the interval. The interval, the upper bound of that interval is 0. So this does not sit in the interval. So this is too high.
Oh, he's just trying to get it in an interval. So what n values? How many specific ones work for a specific interval? I would never use that. That's an ugly answer. I'm being so hateful to decimals. Or I'm a decimal hater.
Let's see if we can isolate the sign.
All right.
With radians that will satisfy this equation.
The
goal of this video is to find the solution set for the following.
Okay. You know what? Let's see if I can do this by myself. So we have 8 solving for x, bro, without calculus and doing all this. All right, let's see if I can do this by myself. It'd be fun. Alright. So obviously, just, minus both sides. So you have 8 sine x over 4 plus... No, you don't have a plus. Equals 3. Divide both sides by 8. So remove this. This is 3 over 8. And what is x over 4? Okay, I have no idea what it is. Let's imagine x over 4 is like here. So obviously we can have here right? But it's equal to 3 over 8. And 3 over 8 is the negative, the positive, so this is 3 over 8. But it can also be 3 over 8 this way. Right? Because sine talks about the vertical part of the triangle. So it's either, but how do I do that? So obviously you have sine x over 4, whatever the angle is, plus 2 pi n equals 3 over 8, where n is an integer. Look at that beautiful z. And here's the thing. What is there another? What is this angle? What could this angle possibly be? It's gonna be sine. I think it's gonna be like this: sine x over 4, but it's going to be pi minus x over 4. Whatever that angle is. Right? I mean, we don't know if it's a positive value. That I'm just like thinking maybe it's like this. I'm just imagining. Use a cast diagram. What's a cast diagram? It would be negative 3 over 8. Negative 3 over 8 is this way. I was thinking of just doing like this. Of just doing like pi minus x over 4. Like that. Am I wrong? This looks valid. I don't know. Let's see what he does here. You know, let's just continue off of my logic. I'm probably wrong though. Oh well. X over 4 plus 2 pi n equals sine minus 1 of 3 over 8. You can just do the thing there. So x is equal to sine minus 1, 3 over 8. Minus 2 pi n, right? Pi n. But you have to multiply by 4, so all of this times 4. I hope I'm right, but I don't know. This is the answer, by the way. I hope I'm right.
Following equation. So all
Blah blah blah.
Of x further. Let all.
Okay, so we're here. Okay, so
any
we're
integer
here.
multiple of 2 pi, that's going to be equal to this a little bit. We could is going to be equal to.
Yeah, see, look, I did that right here. All right.
3/8, where n is.
On the two answers. Okay, fine. Let me do the other one then. Because this one is this one, so let's do it here. So sine. No. Pi minus x over 4 plus 2 pi pi n equals sine minus 1, or arc sine 3 over 8. So I would just minus both of them. So x, what is minus? So minus x over 4 equals sine minus 1 3 over 8 3 over 8 minus pi minus 2 pi n, and multiply both sides by negative 4 times negative 4, so that this is x. So you have one answer, two answers, where n is an element of the set of integers. This should be correct.
Integer
but
could even be a
I don't
negative
know.
one.
I don't know. There's gonna be some way I'm gonna mess this up. No range.
-2, or of course could be 0, 1, 2, 3.
Is more work than Calc 1. That's the thing. I think like if I could definitely just move on to Calc, you know, and like solve it easily, but like I want to go slow and like
and so
know
forth.
everything and
So
try know
is
as much
this
as I can.
have same sign here?
Yeah,
So
there's
we
also this angle. It's
over
positive.
here.
Pi minus theta.
We'll subtract
Please
2
tell
from
me I'm
4
right.
creates.
Oh!
Inverse is now I could subtract 2 verse and negative x is equal to the inverse sine.
So
Is equal to negative sign. A entire solution set.
wait, what?
to-
Oh,
You
he multiplied
mentioned
both sides. 4 times sine minus 1 to the rate minus 2 pi n minus 4, so minus 4 sine on 3 over 8 minus, okay, plus, I'm right! Later they do streaming pre-calc. Hey, so this is what I do in my free time. I have a lot of free time because I'm not in school at the moment, so it's fun. You feel productive, you learn a thing or two, and I also got it right because I'm like the smartest. I'm like fucking Einstein, bro. Whirow, bro. W. I'm gonna celebrate by going to the restroom. Alright, let's do this! Alright. I like how it says sinusoidal equations in basic. Like this is
In
basic
the
shit.
graph below,
I'm sorry, bro.
For what values
I'm
of
sorry for
theta
not
does
for
cosine
being
of
stupid.
theta equal 1, and for what
In the graph
values
below,
of
for
theta
what values of theta does cosine equal 1? And what value theta does cosine equal -1? So it's positive 1 and 0 to pi onwards.
does
And then,
cosine of theta equal -1?
Yeah.
And Dave is what? Move in the rightward direction.
yeah, if it's 0, look, the x value is 1.
We're moving counterclockwise around the unit circle, and as we move in the leftward direction, we're moving if we move in the rightward direction, we're moving
it's not close anymore.
counterclockwise, and as we're moving in the leftward direction along the active
Alright,
pi,
bet.
cosine of theta is an integer.
0
And
to
that
pi.
cosine of it won't have 5 pi radii, as
Alright. I mean, I don't really know what to explain there, but yeah. Why am I looking at maths? Bro, this question is so difficult. What kind of question is this? I'm sorry, bro. I don't like Khan Academy giving me decimals for freaking trig, bro. I'm not a fan. x plus 360. Wait, let's see. So we're solving for x from negative 270 to plus 180. So that is okay. I can envision it. But what is this? Why is what is this? So using cosine x is equal to cosine 180 minus the fuck? 180 minus x? Don't you mean? You know what, let's just imagine it together. Let's say we have an angle. Let's say this is x. Where else would this also be positive? Over here. This is where x would also be positive. So, but you know what, let's make it a negative angle then. Let's make it a negative angle. Let's say it's over here. This is x. X will also be positive this way. So how would you do that? You know what, this is x. This is x. So it's positive when it's either x or 360 minus x. Or 180. What? Do you live in the US? No, I don't. It's 360 minus x. That's what it is. Why is it 180? I genuinely don't even know what the correct answer is. She's using it that only applies to the sine function. So the sine function is like this and this. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand. I think it's just the way they worded everything. There's just so many words on my face. Yeah. This is the problem. The entire problem is this. This one. She used something that works for this one, but not for this. Okay. Please don't give me this question ever again. Thank you. Oh, you don't see. They just don't want me to give up. Alright, fine. Bro. What? I don't know. Using sine. Oh, that is okay. At least we're using radians. That's something. We're gonna play the ChatGPT power card. I am not using ChatGPT, bro. Sine x is equal to sine x plus 2 pi. Okay. Oh, okay, I understand. So she's using two solutions, which makes sense. Can you stop using radian or using these freaking decimals, bro? They're driving me nuts. Okay, so this is right. Oh, but it says from pi to 4 pi. Okay. Oh, but it says from pi to 4 pi. I think that's the thing she did. Yeah, there. What? It says from interval pi to 4 pi. Evaluated sine -1 in degrees. X is in radians. This seems right. 3.1. What? What is the answer? This freaking test, bro. What the hell? Okay, this is right. Bro, this test, this fucking sucks. What? She forgot to use larger n values that would reveal another solution, so she just missed something. What the hell? Bro, what? I guess he just forgot something. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Where x is in radians to the nearest hundredth, in interval from 0 to 3 pi. Okay, but he made a mistake. So, okay, so I think this one is like you just arc sign both sides. Okay, you have this value where n is an integer. X equal to this. Oh, but I think he forgot something, right? Because you have the sign value, but you also have the fact that you also forgot this one. Okay. Maybe by like stream number 11, 6, 7. Maybe, you know, maybe by stream like 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, we're gonna get the calc. What the hell is this kind of freaking quiz, bro? I don't like this quiz, bro. I don't like this. Like, I'm getting. Wait, what? 0.71? Oh, it's like there. Because that's 45 degrees. Whatever, bro. Okay, can I just skip that one? I don't like that one. Okay, so this one we actually have. Okay, alright. We're actually getting to algebra. Or trig, whatever. It's like algebra because you're just solving for x. I think this is what I did in like my first 2 weeks of pre-calc when I was in high school. That you start with, you know, the unit circle, and then you get to converting from radians to degrees, and then you get to trig problems like this one. So yeah, that's cool. So you have 5 cosine 6x plus 6 equals 9. Obviously this is going to be 3, and then it's going to be over 5, so cosine 6x equals, so minus this, so 3 over 5 is 3/5. Okay, so let's say it's like this, so that's 3 over 5, which is positive. So this value is going to be x, 6x. This is going to be 3 over 5. And you also have this one, so you have cosine 6x, right? But you also have cosine 2 pi minus 6x equals 3/5. So you have 2 different solutions, like there. Let's solve for this one. So x is equal to cosine minus 1 3/5 times it by divide both sides by 6, so let's just do that. And then this is going to be 2 pi minus 6x equals cosine minus 1 3/5. And we can do pi minus 3x equals whatever. Let me just redo this like that. Minus both sides by pi, so, and then we can do this, so 3x equals multiply both sides by -1, so minus cosine minus 1 3/5 minus pi, but it multiplied, so it's going to be plus pi over 3. So you have Move this, so this is your first solution, and this is your second solution. And then just like the 2 pi n and shit. I mean, I can just add it right there. Whatever. Algeria mentioned. Oh, but you have to do this. What the fuck? I don't wanna like... Guys, I got this right. I got this right. I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna calculate that. It's so lame. I don't want to do that. Khan Academy, please please never do degrees ever again. Please never do this ever again, bro. I hate degrees so much. I'm just being a hater, bro. Oh, okay. I forgot. You can also do like cos x equals cos negative x. You can also do this because I was doing 2 pi minus. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. 6, 7. All right, let's just move on with our lives here. Alright, I already know I already know how to do this, guys. I know this already. I'm like the smartest person on the planet anyway, so let's just skip that one. Oh my fucking god, I'm gonna get a headache. Oh, this does not look very nice. Joseph is turning 2 jump ropes for a game. Alright. That's what I can do here. The function LT represents the height in centimeters of the center of the rope in his left hand, T seconds after the game begins. So you're doing a jump rope, alright? Just, you know, go up and down, up and down. The center of the rope in his left hand, T after R is the right hand. Okay. Consider the following equation. So you have 95. This first equation equals the second equation. What does the solution set for the last equation represent? The difference in height? Because obviously, this one you input time and then you get the height with this random equation right here. They're equal. Oh, you have to get the solution set. So, okay, what is T? Wait, where's the music? All right. $95 minus 95 plus 95. What does 95 mean? The difference of the centers of the rope 95 seconds after the game begins. Wait, let's just input this. So 95. Oh, maybe I don't want that. Let's do this. So let's input this. 95 minus 95 sine pi x over 2. You have this thing. You have this also. X. Okay, they're equal. Look at LT and RT. Let's look at this. So let's look at X. So X, 1 like that, 2. It's like, look at that. 1 second they're down on the ground, and then they go up and then down and up and down. Okay. The set of all numbers of seconds after the game begins where the center of letter have the same height. I think this one. Smart, bro. Yeah, I think it's just because like they're equal. I have to solve these faster though. Aislinn is holding a pendulum. The function d of t models the horizontal distance of the end of the pendulum. So you have a pendulum, right? The horizontal distance of the end from their body t seconds after releasing. So, okay, so you have the pendulum, which is 0. And then d of t, this represents its distance from you t seconds after releasing. What does the least positive solution for this? So, okay, we have 38. So 38 means the shortest. Isn't that the shortest distance? Where yeah. What is the least positive t answer of seconds? So we know that t is time, so it's either A or D. The set of all numbers of seconds where the pendulum is first 30, where the pendulum is first 38. What? Pendulum is first 38. What? Bro, what? The wording is so confusing. What? It's this one. It was one of the two. What the fuck is this wording? The number of seconds when the pendulum is first 38 centimeters. Is first. Okay, bro. Whatever. You know what? Okay. It's almost 10 o'clock for me. 10 in the morning. 9 more. Okay, let's finish this test and then I'm going to play the game. One of my members made a game on Roblox. I'm gonna play it eventually. Why is it so hot? God damn. Alright, the function E of t models the daily electrical output in kilowatt hours from the solar panels of Agnes's home on the 10th day of the year. What does the solution set? So you have this, the electrical output from the solar panels. Oh, because it goes up and down, right? Because like it's day and night and day and night. Alright, I opened my door because it's really hot. Like, I'm like in the worst room in the house. It gets really hot. The heat really concentrates in this freaking room. I have to keep opening it just to get the cool air in. Alright, what does the solution set for y is equal to that? What is y? 10th day of the year. What is the solution set? Alright. Solution set. So you have 11 point sign, and this entire thing is pi over 2. This entire thing is pi over 2. What is pi over 2? 2 pi over 365. What happened to the inside? The set of all days. So obviously it's going to be all days. not the input. It's just going to be for t, because t is something, and it converts it into pi over 2. But what is sine pi over 2, right? What is sine pi over 2? Isn't that the maximum, right? Because it's like 90 degrees. I think it's minimum, maximum. What? Pi over 2 though. Or maybe it's something maximum. Okay. Well, I thought it was the output itself. I was the days of it, its maximum, because t was replaced with something. Oh damn, thank you to 10 gifted, bruh. I just checked out my research. Like, that shit's actually cheap as hell. That's crazy. I'm actually kind of curious how much YouTube is gonna give me for like the 100 gifted memberships you sent like yesterday. I don't think it's gonna be that much. I think it was like, I think when I checked the stream, I don't think I have the info yet. I don't. But appreciate it tons. We're not humble. YouTube takes 30% of memberships, so a street sweeper, right, has a gap where the broom bristles need to be replaced. Alright, so it leaves part of the street dirty. The function g of t models the distance between the gap and the curb t minutes after the sweeper begins moving parallel to the curb. Alright. Wait, what? What does that mean? So you have a... Okay, so this is the curb. Okay, this is your curb. And then g of t... Okay. Where the gap... between the gap and the curb... t minutes after the sweeper begins. Moving parallel. So it's like... I guess it's gonna be like this, and then it's going to get bigger. I think that's something like that. Maybe it's something like that. You have 540t. But you also have 0.7. So t is 0.7. So 0.7 minutes. So it's this one. Okay, the other one was confusing. This one is much easier. Alright. So sinusoidal. Alright. I think it's worth it to have like an hour and a half of studying. But I don't know. Is that too little? I feel like I should study more. I'm still kind of like unsure on how much to study per stream. Because I can do at least an hour and a half. But I'm still like, maybe I should do 2 hours. Maybe tomorrow I should do 2 hours. At least 2 hours per stream. 2 or 2.5. Alright. I'll do I don't know about 2.5. If I start at 8 in the morning, I can end 10:30. Okay, I can do 2.5. But for today I'll just stop early. So the reason why is because I do have to keep a promise. And that promise is let me check this out. Oh, so yeah, someone made a Roblox game about like surviving. We're on Area 51 or whatever. Fucking hell, it's so stupid. Let me check this out. Where is it? Why is there a feet hangout game on Roblox? The hell? I can't find the game. Never mind, I found it. Never mind, I got it. Alright, I'll end the studying for now. Tomorrow we're gonna do 2.5 hours, so I can start 8 in the morning. I end at 10:30. I think that's a good amount. But for but you know, it's just the first few, so I'll just stop for now. But I'll definitely lock in the future streams. But for today, let me figure this out. Where the hell am I? Maybe it's the wrong one. Maybe I'll just move to this one. There we go. Let me figure this out. Hey, there we go. Like that. Welcome to this is a game called Escape Whirl in Area 51. What the hell? It's so stupid. Let me just link it in chat though. I have like 100 things to manage here. Let me figure this out. Where is it? Where's Roblox? What the hell? There it goes at the bottom. Alright. The game is awesome, trust. Alright, let's get to it. What the fuck? Alright, what is this? Brick Eater 3000. Type fish in chat. Fish. Oh wait, maybe it has to be. Oh, whoa! I got a fish. Oh shit! Yo, you're all dead. Shit! Yo! Hi, whirow or not. Welcome to certified. What? I don't know this joke. Well, get fucked. Alright. What is this? Why am I evil, bro? I'm not evil. What? I'm not evil, bro. Come on, man. What is this? Alright. Whoa, whoa, what the fuck? The Gadagadi mobile, bro. Whoa! Oh. Hey, what's up, Bart? What? Hey. Whirow. Yeah, what's up? Oh, no. Alright, let's try to survive. The Slungus Nader 9000. This is for later. Whoa, what the heck? Oh. Wait, how's everyone dead? Okay, wait, press this. Stop. Step inside the pod. Oh god. What the hell? Wait, what? 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 The almighty Slungus. What the fuck? Come here! Come here! You can't escape me! Shit! Hey, I like this game already. Come here! Come here! Wait, what? I can't do anything. Whoa. This is a little awkward. Whoa! What is that? What are you? Where are you? Hello? Oh god, the Gadagadi. Oh god. Oh no. Get fucked. Shit, bro. No one can escape me. Damn, this is shit fun. Oh my god, I killed all of you. Jesus Christ! That's so mean. Come here! Come here! The almighty Slungus is gonna get you! Alright, I'm done. I'm done. What the hell is that? The almighty Slungus. Oh my god, bro. Alright, let's play this game normally. Alright, let's play this game normally, guys. Oh my god. Run! Run, 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 run. What is that? What is that? Jesus Christ. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Slungus, Slungus! What the heck? Guys, 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 guys. Alright, come here, get in here. Oh! Ow, 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 ow! What the heck? What the hell? This is a little awkward. Alright, guys. Let's, Among Us. Oh. Alright, bro. We like play Arsenal again? Not this stream. Thank you for the donation, though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think after every study stream, we're gonna do like one game. I don't wanna turn this into like an actual like Roblox stream. It's just a little extra. Yo, we've gotta explore this entire map, guys. What are you playing? Check the pin message in chat. Wait, I can't pin. Oh, never mind. What the heck? What is that? What is that? Kyria likes that well. What the heck? Is that me? Damn, I guess I like that wall a lot. Look at this place. This is sick. Yo! No one can find me. Is it you're from the Philippines? Yes! Oh god. It's a little awkward. What else are you gonna play? I already studied for an hour and a half, okay? That's good enough. What the? Mass Design Pro, please. Please, not now. Oh god. Oh god, not the fish. Oh god, please don't kill me. Alright. No! No! Ah! Run. Get me out of here. How do I get out? What? I'm stuck. No. No, 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 no. Why am I stuck? Get me out of here. Alright, let's go here. Alright, chat. We're gonna end up over in the cafeteria. Whoa, whoa, what is that? Monday left me broken. No, no! Oh my god, why did you have to kill me? Someone made this game for me. That's a Insane Goober. I don't think you want to go in there. I like how I can go in there though. Can any of you guys go in there? Oh shit. Hey, what is? Oh.
In the storm,
A man of conviction. A heart.
you spoke the truth.
Everyone come over here, gather to listen. God. Unafraid to die.
We are Charlie.
Whoa, oh my god! Run, run! Oh my god, hide under the desk? Wait. Oh, it's me! Hey, why are you hiding my subscriber count? Go, 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 go. Yo, it's all me! How so cute. Pizza. 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 I want all the pizza. Oh god. Jesus Christ. Roblox warned me? What? What? Oh god, run, 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 run. Survive the slungus. Oh god. Wait, I think we were here last time. What is Max Design Pro doing over there? What is that? The fog is coming? Oh god. What? Oh! Oh, that's awkward. We all died. I still hear Charlie Kirk in the background. Single taken gamer. Jesus Christ. We are Charlie Kirk. What? What? Why am I dead again? What did I do, bro? Come on. Will I dare to do the ultimate slungus again? Wait, can someone else become the ultimate slungus? I'm gonna try and run. Anything over here? Scary man. Let's not touch that. Let's not touch that. He's really studying. What is that button? Oh god. Oh, it's me. Kinda. In honor his name, we are Charlie Kirk. Oh god, run! There's evil people behind us. How do I go up? How do I go up? How do I go up? No! What? Oh my god! Oh my god, there. Up, 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 up. Okay. Whew, we're safe. We're gonna meet yourself. Who's pressing down? Go up! Up! Bro, who is pressing the down button? What the heck? Oh my god. Copyright! Is that me? Why did I say that? Bro, I'm pressing the up button. Go up, go up. Yes! Come on, up, 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 up! Go up! Whew, we made it! Where does this place go? Oh my god, it's me! Why am I... Oh. What the hell? Copyright! Oh. Copyright! Why am I saying that? Yo, it's me! Damn! What a handsome young lad. Whirow, I'm begging you to breed me. What a beautiful guy. Copyright! What the hell is... What? Bro!
My mom is kind of homeless.
Alright, bro. Guys, is that top 5?
My dad.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Where am I? Oh. No one's here. Oh god. Slung as hell. Oh god. Alright. Oh my god, we're stuck. This is a little awkward. Oh, it's open. Go, go, go. Alright. Oh god. Alright. Yo, who did that? let's go this way. Over here. Whoa, it's me with the freaking keyboard. So awesome. This is the part right here. Yo. What? Stop shift. Okay, bro. I'm sorry. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Run! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Who's playing Undertale? Okay, there's a lot of room. Look at this. There's a lot of rooms. All right, get in here. Okay. No, no, please, no! Don't get me in here. No! Oh my god, man. Y'all gotta do that. Wait, why am I so big? No, why am I so big? Get me in here. Oh hell nah. Why am I huge? Why is the Gadagadee mobile, bro? Wait, let me reset. Alright. No one's gonna find me. Wait, I forgot. Hey, yo, Brick Eater 3000. Oh, now I'm tiny. No. Can you get a random person to be Slungus? Get someone random in there. It'd be really funny. Cause I can go in. Oh. You can't? Only you and me? Alright. Only you and me. Yo, you gotta teleport someone in here. I'm gonna try to run. It's a one-time. Oh, alright. Alright, bet. Bro, open the door. Hey guys, what's going on? In the Slungusnator. Should I low-key risk my account like under that wall? Yes. Hack all you want. This ain't ain't my problem. Where does this go? Nowhere. Alright, I think there's everything in the game. I don't know if I... Alright, bro. Who did that? Get me out. Get me out. Thank you. No! No! Let me out! Yeah, yes! Yes! I escaped! Is there a Charlie Cook Roblox skin? Oh my god. You can't find me! No one can find me. Oh no. Why am I here? This is a little awkward. I don't know if you programmed that Slungus yourself. That was very impressive. Look at this place, bro. It's fucking crazy. Wait, I'm gonna do something, guys. Why is Max Design Pro there? That's a little awkward. You can't press it anymore. The Slungusnator. Wait 3 days to code. I'm impressed. I honestly did not think it would actually do that. I'm impressed. Congrats. Wait, but the button doesn't work. Maybe we should get a new server. Get some random person in the Slungunator. A Slungus move? Both a mistake and a great idea. Bro, who keeps closing the door? Two can play that game. Yeah, that's right. Oh my god, Max Design Pro. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, Brick Eater. Maybe I can get a new server. I'm gonna do the Slunganator. Was it only after me? Oh my god, Max Design Pro, please. I wonder if I can... I don't know how to get a new server, though. Wait, Peter Griffin? Wait, chat, I'm going on... Window has joined the server. Who's Angel? Hey, how's it going? Whoa, my goodness. How's it going, Peter? How's it going, Peter? Yo, thank you for the 3-month membership. I'm in a 6-7 joke. Dead. Oh god. Yeah, get me in here. Dead. The Slungus-nator 9000. Oh my god, bro. Look at it in all its glory. Look at it. The dude actually spent time coding this thing. I did not know someone knew how to code like this. It's crazy. I should learn how to code so I can make cool shit like this. Chat, maybe one day I'll make a Roblox game. It's gonna be like a game where you just like you find stuff and then you get cool shit, and then your secrets all over. The last video is pretty vile. In the grand scheme of things. I was blocked. Oh my god. Oh my god, get me out. You can't spam faster than me! Oh my god, I'm losing. Oh my god. How? Who has an auto clicker? Oh.
What the hell?
Oh my, guess we're in a new server. What a great game. Brick Eater, you got Get a random person in there. On god. Get a random person to get a slunga. I'm gonna run. I'm trying to shut down the game to update. Oh, alright, bet. Hint: solve for x times the root of x plus sine x equals what? Oh, you have to answer the question. Wait. Okay, someone really answered that. Okay. Alright, you have to study to do that. I have a brick wall. Come here. Yo. Wait, let's actually do this question. Hold on, I'm actually putting the question. X equals x squared. What does that say? X squared times log x. What the hell is this question? E to the x over 2, so root x minus 3. Damn, that's a hard question. What the hell? You just guess 6, 7. Big whirow. Wait, what's going on? Why am I so small now? Short king. I mean, I guess 5'7" is short. I'm 5'7" or 5'7.5" around there. I guess. I mean, it is short. I will tell you that. It kind of makes me sad when I'm in a foreign country and then there's women who are like way taller than me, and I feel super inferior now. Guys, stop bullying me, man. Fuck you. Yeah, that's what you get. I'm just stuck in here. Oh my god, okay, I'm fighting this. Brick Eater, you know, you thought of this question as a freaking difficult ass question, bro. Alright, I'm checking it out. I actually wrote down the equation and it's really difficult. Like, really difficult. So, maybe I can't solve it. So, just guess 6, 7 and that's how it is. Yo. Alright, let's get in here. Skip the toilet or creeper. Bro, open the door. No. Oh my god, bruh. Get me in! Thank you. Come on, open! Brick Eater, please teleport some random person in the sluggish nature. Does it work like that? Oh my goodness gracious. Open this door. Don't worry. Guys, stop playing. I will kill you so hard. Oh! Oh my god! Run. Go. Can't get me. Wait, I went the wrong way. Why? Oh my god. Wait. Go! Brick, can you TP someone? Why am I so slow? What's happening in study? I already finished studying. So, that's how it is. No clip. I'm so slow. Thank you. There's a timer though. Can you TP someone? It'd be really funny. Can you TP someone? It'd be really funny. It'd be really funny. Hey! They're gonna die though. Whoever gets there first wins. Oh no. I'm gonna Charlie Kirk. Oh, no one can get in. Uh-oh. They still can't use it? No! Oh my god. What happens if the timer goes out? Wait, what? Wait, what? What's going on? Is the song just made it like deactivated? Oh no. God. Everyone is trying to get it. That's a little awkward. No one can use it. Wait, how? Wait, what? What? Oh. Oh no, I am running. Oh my god! Alright, bro. That's awkward. I'm gonna run now. Bye. No! No! Please! Oh my god, no! Ah! Jesus Christ! Oh my god. Bro really coded all that. Damn! Alright, I'm running, bro. Get me out of here. Oh, it really is nothing. It's a giant UFO though. I'm gonna get out. Hey, what's going on? Okay, you're still doing Charlie Kirk. Well, that's it. Hey, what's going on? W game, get me in here. Open. Okay. Yo, what am I doing in here? It's me with a, it's slung with a diamond sword. Alright. The battle is raging. The darkness will fall. It's a force in here. Ain't getting that degree. I'm not even in college yet. Chill out, guys. Look at this place. I think we're almost done. I think. Give everyone admin. You know what? He's right. The is R. You should give everyone admin, bro. You're really funny. Look at this place. Just gotta get in here. Get me in this longest room. Oh no. Oh, why am I? Okay, well, we're just gonna chill in here and give everyone. Nah, I got nothing. B2s. I spent months in this game. Was it worth it? Oh hell yeah, that was worth it. I think we explored everything in the game already. It was a fun game. Fun game. It's like it's a reskinned Roblox game, but like for me. And I'm stuck. Wait, there's more. Wait, there's more? Game rev is $2. It's probably like $2, bro. Probably like $50, bro. If you got a donations, I'll definitely give you like 100 Robux or something. Is there more to this game? I think we found everything. What else could there be? Alright, whirow follow. Alright, bet. Jesus Christ, you're so fast. Alright. Okay. So you go in here, then you go up here. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, there's more here. Oh, what is this room? Oh! Oh my god, it's another. Alright. What is it? What is this room? Alright, nothing. This is oh my god. I think we were here before. Oh, but we missed quite a lot. There's a lot we missed here. My bad. There's this room with nothing. This room, the back room's room. This is actually my setup. Right here. Oh my god. This is the Hey! It's my guy! It's my plushie in real life! The item asylum dummy. Whirl, breed with me. I hate you. Please don't ever say that again. Oh! I like what I see. A gravity coil, alright. You got another backrooms room. And... alright. Yeah, it's everything. Let's give him incredible gassy. What's in here? This is the hospital. Alright. It's like a bed. You can chill on the tables in there. Alright. And then you have... oh my... Mr. Beast! Oh my god, please don't kill me. And it's me again. Oh my god. No one can find me. Oh, it's a speed coil. Yeah, let's go. We're fast. Hey, what's going on? Oh, this is the end of the map. Bro, this is a map, bro. Hey, what's going on? Oh my god, Dojo made it. Y'all like my game? This is a fire game. This is like a 10 out of 10. Yes, sir. And then he's gonna give me more money. Escape eating. Oh. Okay. Escape whirow vor obby. I think that should be the next game. Escape whirow eating you alive obby. Feed the whirow obby. Something like that. Whirow, don't give me ideas. Bro, get me out. Alright, I think that's everything with this game. Oh my god, he's gonna work at the escape world. Obby! Alright. Alright, I think that's everything to this game. I think we're done studying. We're gonna keep... starting tomorrow, we're gonna study for 2.5 hours instead of 1.5. With me over here, you know how it is. What? What? Bro, why did you do that? I was gonna outro with my guy. Why did he kill me? Oh, come on, bro. So evil. But yeah, that's it. I think we're done. Everyone over here. I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna stand next to this wall. I'm fucking arrested. I think that's everything. Thanks everyone for watching the stream.
Copyright! 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 Copyright!
Jesus Christ.
Copyright!
Oh my god. Oh my god, stop. I don't even I know
Copyright! 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 Copyright!
whatever. Thanks everyone for watching the stream. React Tech Joyce? Wait, why? Trap him. You can't trap me. Oh. The guy exploded everyone. Well, that's it. Thank you for this game. It was very... yeah. Alright, thank you everyone for watching the stream and see you